we have a rocker and a hard bottle.
And show them the backstage pass that she comes with.
Backstage pass. But when you buy her, you see that it has a picture of her.
Yep. If you wouldn't mind subscribing and liking this video. We found 2.5 boxes of these, so we got them all. The last place wouldn't let us take the box, so unfortunately they're in a bag. But we will be unboxing these today for you guys. And then we also have the new furniture sets, which I promise we will unbox for you tomorrow.
Yep.
And we also have promised you guys the hair salon and the Oh My God closet, which we have not forgotten about. We will have plenty of time to unbox all of this tomorrow for you guys. So we're going to start off with Punk Boy. They come with these little hanging things, like you can hang them on the tree if you wanted to.
But they're about us too.
Yep. Here comes the cattail. Do you need scissors?
No thanks. I don't think I like these scissors.
Alright, she's unboxing Punk Boy. Here, get in the video a little bit more. Show them what you're doing.
There also, a Punk Boy's question is jelly time.
Jam time.
Jam time.
Show them the ball.
A ball is blue.
There's only 2 layers to it.
Yep.
This isn't going to be quicker. Yep, you got it? She's been waiting to unbox Punk Boy forever. We have 5 of him, but she wants this one because he comes with a little necklace and he's really cool. Let me see if I can get a better quality on this. We might have to start recording somewhere else so you guys can see us better. Because the lighting down here is pretty bright.
It's pretty bright. Okay. We got a ball. We got like a cool wrapping paper.
Then there's a stand.
Oh,
for him to stand on.
Oh, and he has a heart, a sticker heart. Then he has
a mini one.
Oh, it has both sides.
Yep, both sides.
And
it says rocker, to rocker, love Punk Boy, forever.
And this has Punk Boy on it.
Back it up a little so you can see it. Punk Boy, and it says Heart 3-029. L.O.L surprise.
I have his milk carton.
We'll show them how pretty the wrapping is. This is
yeah.
very pretty wrapping.
Yep.
Here, get on video.
I know.
Show them as you open it.
We have his shot,
which says trouble, just like the other one.
Trouble. He gets in a lot of trouble. He has the shoes. We could go ahead and show them that.
Yep. His shoes, which came in this very pretty paper. I love that paper.
Is his shorts different?
Nope, they're the same.
We have his shorts.
Oh. And we have a perfect Punk Boy, which I think is better quality than any of the Punk Boys that have been released before.
They even have blush on him.
Yes, they do. And he has a big Band-Aid. He's very good quality. I have not seen one with a double chin on any of the posts. So I would definitely say this quality of Punk Boy is better than any other Punk Boy that I've seen. Here, I'll help you.
Oh my God.
You kind of gotta His bottoms are a little hard to get on sometimes. You just gotta prop up the back of it.
Of course, he has these little spiky things.
Bracelets.
Yep. They are all spiky. What else? Put all the trash over here.
It's a little hard to put on. I don't want to rip it.
I don't want to rip this.
From the paper. Okay, let me see his bracelets.
I put it on there.
Where's his back safe cast?
I
Oh, well, he should have come with one.
Oh yeah, yeah he does. This is blue.
Here it is.
Oh my god, put it away.
We always double check the trash
Yeah.
because you never know what little trinkets are going to be in it.
We have his little necklace.
Here, you got to bring it back a little bit.
But they can see it.
There.
His Becky. They always come with Becky's.
Check over there. See if you came with one. I didn't see one for him.
He doesn't come with a Becky. We have him.
Well, he might. You know, there's always something missing in these. But this is pretty good quality. This is a good quality pump toy. He has a better looking face, in my opinion. Better lips and blush.
It says, look, it says it doesn't come with it.
Alright, so it doesn't come with the thing.
But with Rocker, she comes with a Becky.
Yep.
But
Rocker has always come with a thing.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to unbox Rocker for you guys.
Hello. Hello.
And her sign is I love rock. So we got Jam Time and I love rock. Okay.
So that's I-C-E-R.
Put the trash over there. Oh, I'm doing this one.
I just check it out.
Thank you. And hers also comes with the stand,
And the different
the ball.
colors.
And you can pop these stands out to help your L.O.L stand up. They do pop off. For those of you that didn't know that, that's how we keep most of our L.O.Ls that are on display that don't stand up by themselves, stand. And
I'm going to open Rocker.
yep, you open Rocker.
Oh, and Rocker is different. For a Rocker, it's the same, but she's different. You can see.
Yep, and there's actually two versions of Rocker. There's one with the lighter hair color, and it's more plaid. The outfits look different. I should have brought her down for comparison, but we'll show her in a later video. So, can you get her dressed for me real quick?
Oh, it's just something.
Can you get her dressed for me?
Yes, ma'am.
And her paper is pink. So cute.
She wants to come too, Becky.
Pink and red.
She
We'll
comes-
probably keep this.
Yep, there's issues. I think there's different sizes.
Nope, they're all the same.
Our sizes are, Rocco's sizes are very tiny, right?
Yes, they have tiny clothes. Be careful when you're unwrapping this because there's going to be little pieces of paper in this and you don't want to accidentally throw away something. We've done it and we have trash dug to find things, literally dumping the trash to dig through it to find like little crowns for Flower Child's puppy. We threw that away on accident. That was a nightmare to find, but we found it. So I always find it easier to pop off the heads if the necklaces don't go on as easy. So, Rocker in her box. You can put Punk Boy in his.
I thought we were going to keep this popcorn.
No, you are. We're just going to put them in the balls with them. Well, her shoes are a little hard to hold on to.
I'm going to put the stickers in so we don't throw away them.
I'm going to show them.
But-
So, here's Rocker.
Hold on.
Okay.
They are opposed to go together. They also say something.
Here, I'll
Comment-
read it.
Comment down below if you know what the background says.
It says Rocker Heart 1-011, and
I'm
they come
talking-
together.
I'm talking about the background.
Oh, it didn't say anything. It just said L.O.L surprise. And then, where did Punk Boy's little thing go? Here it is.
This is why you don't.
So this says, to Punk Boy, love Rocker, BFF. So, hold on. I got it. I don't know if you can see it.
Yep, they
BFF
can.
forever. And, hold on. This side. Very cute. These ones are very tiny, so be careful with them. And we'll keep them in the ball.
With our dolls
Yep.
to keep them nice.
Alright. That sums up this video. We got both of them.
Yeah.
Very good set. Pro tip. These will not be in the L.O.L aisle. These will be in the Valentine's Day section at Target. So don't look in the L.O.L aisle. Some stores might put them in the L.O.L aisle, but these are Valentine's Day sets. So we found all of ours in the Valentine's section. So make sure that you look there first. Alright, and give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And we'll see you babies next time.
And also leave a comment down below if you love our videos.
Yeah.
And I say that in all videos.
Thank you.